Hi everyone, my name is Teacher Ziyah and welcome to my online learning channel where we make learning fun. Do you know the first letter in our alphabet? If you said it's letter A, you're right! Today, we will learn all about letter A. Are you ready for our lesson? Yes? Let's start by singing our hello song. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, how do you do? I'm here to learn with you. Have fun, that's all to do. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, how do you do? I'm here to learn with you. Have fun, that's all to do. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, la-la-la-la-la-la-la. When it's lesson time, what do? We should. Eyes are watching, ears are listening, legs are crossed, hands are still, lips will open later to share what really matters. Listening well, listening well. Let's meet our first letter friend. Do you know who it is? That's right, it's the letter A. This is Mommy A. Can you say hi to Mommy A? Hi, Mommy A. This is the lowercase a, or the baby A. Can you say hi to baby A? Hi, baby A. Mommy A, baby A. Mommy A, baby A. Mommy A, baby A. Who knows how to write the letter A? Do you know how to write letter A? Not yet? Let me show you how. When we write Mommy A, we start from the top, then we slide down left. Then we go back to the top, and we slide down right. And then we're going to make a bridge in the middle. See? We have Mommy A. Let's do it one more time. Start from the top, then slide down left. Back to the top, then slide down right. Make a bridge in the middle, and that's the Mommy A. One more time. Start from the top, then slide down left. Back to the top, then slide down right. Make a bridge in the middle, and that's the Mommy A. Now let's try to make the baby A. When we make the baby A, make a curve or a small curve. Should be small. Small curve and a small straight line. Let's try it one more time. Small curve and a small straight line. Let's try it one more time. Make a small curve and small straight line. Make a small curve and a small straight line. Make a curve and a small straight line, and that's the baby A. One more time. Make a small curve and small straight line. Make a small curve and a small straight line. Make a curve and a small straight line, and that's the baby A. Now get your whiteboard and your marker and let's try it all together. Let's try the mommy A first. Start from the top, then slide down left. Back to the top, then slide down right. Make a bridge in the middle, and that's the mommy A. Now, let's try the baby A. Make a small curve and a small straight line. Make small curve and a small straight line. Make small curve and small straight line to make the baby A. Good job! Let's give ourselves an awesome clap. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Awesome! What is the sound of letter A? Letter A, letter A. What is the sound of letter A? Ah, ah, ah. Let's try it faster. What is the sound of letter A? Letter A, letter A. What is the sound of letter A? Ah, ah, ah. Let's try it even faster. What is the sound of letter A? Letter A, letter A. What is the sound of letter A? Ah, ah, ah. Whew, that was fun. What is the sound of letter A again? Say it louder. Good job. Get your crayons and let's color. Let's begin our activity by writing our name. You can use a pencil or a marker just like Teacher Ziyah. One, two. We have 2 stems and we are going to color them brown. The stem holds the plant up. It carries water and nutrients to the different parts of the plant. One, two, three. We have 3 leaves. We're going to color them with green crayon. Leaves are called food factories. They help plants make their own food. There are different kinds of leaves. Some leaves are big, some are long. Some leaves are color orange, and when it gets dry, it turns to brown. This is the mommy A, and this is the baby A. Get a red crayon and let's color the mommy and the baby A. A is for apple. The apple starts with the letter A. What is the sound of the letter A? A. Apple. Let's say it again. Apple.
Now get the black crayon and let's color the seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 seeds.
I hope you had fun today. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram so I will see your work. I'm really excited to see them. See you next time, kids. Bye!